Understanding the phrase, Seagulls Overhead. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the picturesque world of descriptive language, focusing on the phrase, seagulls overhead. This expression paints a vivid picture in English, and we're going to explore its meaning, use, and the imagery it evokes. Seagulls overhead combines two words, seagulls and overhead. Let's understand each term. Seagulls are a type of bird, commonly known for their white and gray feathers, and their association with the sea. Overhead refers to something being above you, often in the sky. When put together, the phrase describes a scene where seagulls are flying or hovering above you in the sky. The phrase, seagulls overhead, is rich in imagery. It's often used to describe a seaside setting. The mention of seagulls immediately conjures images of the ocean, beaches, and coastal life. Create an atmosphere. The phrase can be used in storytelling or descriptive writing to set a peaceful or bustling seaside scene, depending on the context. Evoke senses. It's not just a visual image. The phrase can also remind one of the sounds of seagulls calling and the feel of a breezy, salt-sprayed environment. Let's see how seagulls overhead can fit into sentences. 1. As I walked along the beach, I noticed seagulls overhead, their cries blending with the sound of the waves. 2. The picnic was delightful, with the occasional shadow of seagulls overhead passing by. 3. The story began in a quaint coastal village, with seagulls overhead being a constant, comforting presence. I hope this exploration of the phrase, seagulls overhead, has helped you appreciate the beauty and imagery of English descriptive language. It's phrases like these that enrich storytelling and descriptive writing, bringing scenes to life. Keep learning, and may your language journey be as free and spirited as the seagulls overhead.